Hello there, you beautiful animals. I'm out for an overnighter here in my local woods. We are now right by the seaside, and I need to find a place that is level and big enough for my tent. Actually, the place right behind me could be just big enough. I want to give it a try because the views, you can't beat the views. And it will be exciting to see if I wake up in the middle of the night with seawater up to my nose. Okay, so here we are. The tent is all ready. It's pitched, it's already ready. It's the Dursten, and it has loads of space. It's my, I think this is my favorite tent right now. Yeah, it is my favorite tent. Okay, so I will just go and get my backpack and get all ready for the evening, I guess. I'm looking forward to spending the night here, right by the sea, by the water. Do you think that water level will rise during the night? Let's see. I guess we will find out. This is nice. There is something about the sea. I feel a deep connection. A deep connection with these waters and the North Sea, you know. I guess it's the Viking spirit. Yeah, and I can say that actually with a straight face. I think I will sleep well tonight. And if I have miscalculated the tide, you know, I guess we will find out. This is my home for the night. I think I should go and find some firewood, because I need to have a campfire. We have some dead standing spruce right here, so that was not difficult to find. This is where I want to have my campfire, some distance away from the tent because of the sparks. Can you see what I'm seeing? There's one over there, and there's one over there. Face masks. Look at that. It's a face mask. I don't know what to say, you know. This is actually a wonderful campsite. My tent is over there. If it was summer, I would probably have taken a bath, you know, because this is a beautiful area. In case you didn't know, these are my favorite tools. So this is the Mora bushcraft. It's Mora has gotten a lot of criticism lately because of their ashwood handle series of knives that are quite expensive. They are quite expensive. But this is much cheaper, and this is a very good knife. And this is this axe here is the Gränsfors. Is it called the Outdoors axe? It's my favorite axe. It's almost like a tomahawk. And this is the Fiskars saw. It's my favorite saw. Yeah, and I have the fire starters in this little tin box here. I'm just checking the tide. It would be funny and embarrassing if I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm in the sea. The world's smallest frying pan. I had to fry up the steak in 3 rounds, and, you know, so here's the last. Doesn't look like much, but it's steak. Yeah, and I'll have a little piece of chocolate in the tent. Now I don't know exactly how much the time is right now, but we still have daylight. The camera makes it a little bit lighter actually than it really is. So yeah, it is getting dark, but also it helps being by the sea. Yeah, I like this tent. I like this tent a lot. It's the Durston, what's it called? X Mid 2 Solid. Can you hear that? I think that's a search and rescue helicopter. It's out there over the fjord, and it's not a sound you want to hear, because it means they're searching for someone. I'm in the sleeping bag now, and it's getting late. It is a bit strange listening to the waves in a tent, but yeah, the water has not risen, so I think I will be okay. And I'll see you in the morning. I decided to take a slightly different route back to the car. So I climbed the hill and I'm now walking back to the car. I slept well. It took me a while to fall asleep, but once I did, I slept like a rock. And do rocks sleep? No, they don't. So that didn't make any sense. I am very happy about the fact that I did not wake up out in the fjord, floating on my sleeping pad because of high tide. So yeah, no, I felt quite secure. I've been in this area and I've been sailing here a lot. And the reason why I didn't show you any breakfast is that I was being very naughty this morning, and I had chocolate for breakfast. I just walked across Sahara. Yeah, that part there behind me is actually called Sahara. Apparently because there's a lot of sand here. If you're still watching, thank you for the company. And before you go, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please consider doing so. It really helps the channel, and if you do, there is an option there where you can choose all notifications, and that might lead to YouTube recommending future videos for you, or even sending a notification, you know. But you never know with YouTube. Okay, that's all for now, and have a wonderful day.